Hello friends. Where am I? Come check this out. Look at that sight. Just me and another person sharing a roundabout. Got a tenter there. Here's the loop real quick, or one of the loops. But yeah, here's site 53. Got all this real estate. Wondering where I'm at? I'm at Natchez Trace State Park. And what's special about this one is, see the posts? There's a post there, post back there, post there, post there. Well, what that's for is horses. So this is a campground that has horses, and of course regular camping as well. But I'll show you more of that later. Just want to show you my camp real quick. Fire pit, picnic table, pretty level site. I did have to put some levelers on. Got the bikes out. Got the e-bike. And yeah, I got it. I got to change or chain different times. My kitchen going electric because it's free. Got the bike rack back here. But yeah, I'm literally 2 hours from Nashville. Down 40 on your way to Memphis is Natchez Trace. And they get all kinds of trails and horse trails and ATVs. All that good stuff. I've been here before, but this part I haven't. But come check it out, alright? Come along. So I was able to get this in the van. I've had the urge to do some boating, and I've got a raft in here. I just took it out of the box because it was too big, and just took a Rubbermaid. Here's a pump they give you, but I bought a motor pump. But it all fits. Got my oars in there, the raft, and part of the pump. So I might give that a try. Stay tuned. That's something you don't see. A stick bug. He's just hanging out. That's crazy. Alright, let's go take a little loop of this place. That one's got slides. See that? There's some horses. See, it's half living area and half for horses. Here's your horses. Hey guys. While staying at the campground, I looked up some of these rigs that the horses are in, where you keep the horses in the back and sleep up front, and it's basically a full RV. Pretty plush. I think there's 5 loops. There's your host station there. Better slow down. The horse is there. There's your entrance. Comes into the park. There's your bathrooms. There's definitely some hills. Some cool sights. Five's a nice spot. That's pretty cool. But there's not just camping with your horse, but camping with your boat and your regular campers. Forget what section this is. It's a little tight through here. Mainly just campsites, but they still have the poles in the back for your horse, your mule. You see where it's half trailer and half living quarters? Over the hitch is where you sleep, and then by the door is your kitchen. In the back with 3 windows is where the horses go. That one's got an awning. And then here's your horse trail. It goes back. Back there's your horse trail. Looks like they add dirt at times just to fill in the area, maybe because of rain. And then there's your post of your trails. Just some information. You can take a picture of the code reader there, and I'll tell you about the state park. Take you around this way. So we just made a big loop. Went around the showers. There's only 1 showers and that's it. There's secondary bathrooms but with no showers. That's kind of a drag, but everything's with walking distance. It's not too far. There's playground. It'll take you through this loop. Some horses. That's old school right there. Old school. This guy's got a gate, a foldable gate that he brought out for his horses instead of putting them on a line. That's kind of cool. Again, living areas with AC. Got some camps, tenters here. There's some more rigs, a little smaller one. Living quarters. Most of them all have living quarters. That's pretty nice right there. 2 horses. It's pretty cool. Eden. firewood up here. And then here's your entrance. I think this is 141, the main road. And you got some trails over there for horses. There's even a sign that says watch for horses. And then down there is supposed to be somewhat of a bike trail. So I'm gonna find out what that's about. So just across the street, you got another logging road. And I believe this is for horses as well. And then that goes back. So a lot of them are, there's a Wrangler. A lot of them are logging roads. And then they just turn into horse trails. But this is fine for the bike. This is great. I'll just go back here a little bit. Cutting trees. Yeah. It's a little steep here. I'm cutting the brakes on, but yeah, it looks like they're doing something here. I don't know what, but this is part of logging, or they're gonna make something here. Huh. They might be doing something with that. And moving all that wood. Opening it up. If I see anything interesting, I'll record it. I'm taking it slow. Thanks. No problem. Beautiful. Awesome day. Horse looking for horses. Camping among the horses. Kind of cool. Makes you want to get a horse. Of course, I think we got the best site. It's also a horse trail that goes that way. I'll have a video of that later. Some horses coming out of there. Home sweet home. Since we're staying with cowboys and cowgirls, I figure it would be most fitting to make sloppy joes to fit in. Baked beans. Gonna add my sauce. Here goes nothing. Camping food must-haves. Good old sloppy joes. Tearing down, you want to help me put the bikes on? With fun comes work. Hey, thanks for joining me in the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Y'all take care of yourself. I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye. That's interesting. They got hats on.